Hey everyone, welcome back to Shreeshasstudio. In today's video, we're going to see how to do makeup during monsoon seasons. So let's get started. First thing that I'm going to do is use wet wipes to clean my face. So this makes sure that there are no residues of dirt. And also during monsoons, skin tends to get oily and you might have acne and open pores. So these are the common concerns that one would usually face. Next, I'm using Shea Seed Toner from the Face Shop. This is a hydrating toner. Taking some on the hand and make sure you gently press, don't drag. Allow it to rest on the face for a minute or two. I'm using Pond's gel based moisturizer. This is really good if you have oily skin. You can also use if you have normal to dry skin. Taking very little and applying. Make sure you apply it on your neck as well, and also don't forget to moisturize your lips. Allow the moisturizer to settle down, so give it a minute or two and then apply primer according to the needs. So if you have open pores, make sure that you use a primer that fills in the pores. If you have a very dry skin, make sure that you use a hydrating primer. In my case, I am using the Smashbox primer. This is the Photo Finish Smooth and Blur primer. It looks, it is a silicone based primer, so I am applying only where I have pores. I am using an oil based primer from a pack. This is very good for dry skin. Take the product and warm it between your hands and just slightly press it on the skin. Make sure that you don't go over the areas where you had applied the previous primer. Was on the face for a minute. Next, I'm using Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 3W2 Cashew. This is a full coverage foundation, especially if you have breakouts, acne marks, you can use this. I totally forgot, before foundation, I will be using the PAC Studio Finish Supra Color in the number 11. This is a corrector. Next, I'm using e.l.f. concealer in the shade medium warm to highlight my face. To set my under eyes, I'm using K Beauty loose powder in the shade banana. To set my face, I'm using MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC35. NARS Orgasm Blush in Laguna Bronzer. Using Becca highlighter in the shade Moonstone. I'm using e.l.f. concealer as eye base. PAC PM34 matte eyeshadow on the crease. Making sure that I keep it round and not extending like an Arabic eye. Next, I'm using Nika K eyeshadow palette in the shade Ocean Eyes. I will be using this dark color and topping it off with this shimmery color. I'm taking the blue on the fluffy brush and applying it all over the lid. I have zoomed you all in so that you can see the shades clearly and you can also see the blending. Now I'm using this shimmery color on the eyelid. I'm using finger. This palette is really affordable and it has a good payoff. I'm using this blue color kajal from Nykaa and applying it on the outer corner. I'm using a brown color shade on the lower lash line. I'm using Essence mascara. Next, I'm adding very little glitter, this shade. These are pressed glitters, you don't have to use a glue. I'm filling my lips using a lip liner in the shade Soar from MAC. Using Too Faced lip gloss in the shade Sunset Crush. Just applying it on the center. So here's the completed look. That's it for this video. Hope you all liked it. If you did, do comment. Also like, share and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye. Take care. See you all.